Hello guys, this is my first video of this series which can help you to understand basics of HTML5. Let us start with the basics of HTML. HTML is one of the core building blocks on the web as it holds all the content of the websites you visit. It can be assisted by technologies such as CSS and scripting language such as JavaScript. If you want to become a web developer or a web designer in future, in this video we will cover some basics of the HTML5 which can help you to create a web page. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the fifth version. HTML5 is the latest version of the HTML until now. It will helpful to create a better programming, better management of the application or the web contents. HTML5 allows any kind of data to be incorporated into the program. Now, what are the web pages? Every website have a different pages like about us, contact us, services, etc. You can also use HTML5 to create a web application development. Now, what are the basic requirements to create an HTML page? You need a text editor to create HTML code. I am using Notepad to write my code and a browser to test my code. You can choose any latest version of your browser from your side. This is a basic HTML code which is covered with HTML tag. A minimum 3 tags are required to create a working HTML page. HTML, head and a body. HTML tag covers all the content of a page. Head is the upper section of the page and the body is the lower section of the page. Now focus on the title tag. We use title element in the head section of the code. Title have starting and the closing tag with the content between them. I have just used this is my first title. Adding content on the body area is very easy. We just use a paragraph tag to write the code between them. I have used this is my first content on the web page and look, it will reflect on the right side after the saving of a code. I have added content with the help of a p tag, but we have also another options are available we just use the heading, span. So let we discuss it later. Now, HTML5 is latest version of HTML, so it will also added another new elements which are header, footer, main, mark, aside, article. We can also have the element like audio and the video. If we need a graphic element, we just have SVG and Canvas are the better option for creating graphics into the HTML5. We will learn these elements in our later videos. Now we just going to add some another content in the basic HTML page. So we have already added the paragraph element in the body area. Now we add heading element. So we can have six options H1 to H6. So I am just using H1 tag to add my first content. In the H1 tag I just use this is my first heading using the H1 tag. So it will also reflect on the right side of the browser area. Now look, it will reflect on the right side. So we just set the browser area and look it again. In the interest of time, I will use another heading element with the help of a copy and paste. And now, look, I save all the element and it will reflect on the browser area. Now we are going to add some sample paragraph in the paragraph area. So we just copy and the using paste and now it was saving the page and it will also reflect on the right side. So in this video we have learned basic structure of HTML and how we can add the content in the HTML page. I hope you will learn something from this tutorial, and if you did, please like, subscribe and provide a nice comment.